Hello everyone, welcome to TestQuill. So guys, we are starting up with this series called Word Mania. Here we will discuss with you one word daily. So it's gonna be a daily series. So daily we will put up a video where we will discuss one word with you. We will tell you its meaning and then try to make it into sentences, and we will discuss synonyms and antonyms as well. If you want to continue with us with this series, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and you have hit the bell icon so that you're getting notified whenever we are coming up with new videos. Okay, so without further ado, let's just quickly start with the video. So word of the day is audacity. Now what does this mean, audacity? Audacity actually is a word which has both a negative and a positive side to it. Right, you can use word audacity when you want to talk about something which is positive. Even this word can be used if you are talking in a negative manner, and I'll tell you how. Meaning of audacity is willingness to take bold risks. When you are like fearless and you are bold enough to take any risks, that is audacity. That means you have the audacity, right? And it could also be a rude or disrespectful behavior, right? You are willing to take bold steps, but उन चीज़ों पे जिनसे मे बी अदर पीपल आर गेटिंग ऑफेंडेड, राइट? तो दूसरों के नज़रिए में मे बी दैट थिंग इज़ नॉट करेक्ट, मे बी यू आर ऑफेंडिंग अदर पीपल, बट यू हैव द करेज एंड यू हैव द बोल्डनेस टू टेक दोज रिस्क्स और टेक दोज स्टेप्स. Okay, but it can also be used to define rude or disrespectful behavior. So let's just quickly move towards sentences so that the meaning becomes clear to you. Okay, first sentence is, after robbing the bank, the robber had the audacity to leave an insulting note for the police. That means कि एक तो बैंक में उन्होंने रॉबरी की, जो थीव्स थे, एंड ऑल्सो दे हैड द ऑडेसिटी, लाइक इतनी उनके अंदर हिम्मत थी, इतनी बोल्डनेस थी कि उल्टा फिर पुलिस को और चिढ़ा कर गए या इंसल्टिंग नोट उनके लिए छोड़ के गए, राइट? नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, ओनली जॉर्ज हैड द ऑडेसिटी टू कॉल आवर बॉस अ बुली. लाइक जॉर्ज के पास इतनी हिम्मत है कि उसने बोला कि दिस बॉस बुली अस, राइट? Next sentence, Alina had the audacity to show up to the party despite the fact that she was not invited. Means that वो चली गई पार्टी में जबकि she was not even invited. So you know, इतनी उसके अंदर audacity है, इतनी उसने हिम्मत कर दी कि चली गई वहाँ पे, but she was not invited. So these were the sentences. I hope इससे आपको थोड़ा meaning clear हुआ होगा. Now moving on. Synonyms for audacity are given here. It's boldness, daring, fearlessness, bravery, courage, valor, impertinence, insolence, bad manners, rudeness, impudence. Okay, if you look at the left side here, these are basically little positive ones like boldness, bravery, courage. If you look here at the right side, these words are a bit negative, right? Like bad manners, rudeness, impudence, they are a little bit negative. So audacity has both aspects, positive as well as negative. Here we are at the antonyms. Some of the antonyms for audacity is politeness, shyness, modesty, timidity. Okay, ये उसके opposite है. Politeness, shyness, timidity. Okay, so yeah, that's it with the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned, do subscribe.